is the one that's the most popular. It must be, right?
I think so.
What do you guys say? No, but no, on a serious note, just to make sure that I'm not just bullshitting out here, which do you think is the most famous song of any of my films? Okay. Also consider the fact that Mauje Mauja is so old, like, you know. But anyway, it's an extremely popular song for sure. So, yes, we were going through making the song, and at various stages I was with Preetham and Irshad as we were doing it. Dhruvoda I really like him, and I talked to him before the song is composed. You know, because he's just a very good guy to talk to about music. Anyway, so lyrics were written.
Was there a brief, like, you know, you wanted it this way? I'm sure there was a brief, right?
Yeah, there's a brief. At that point we used to say that we need a chota Punjabi song, a nakli Punjabi song. So this was the nakli Punjabi song.
Okay, it wasn't a real Punjabi song.
No, we said that वो Canada वाला चाहिए हमें, छोटा नकली चाहिए, सच्चा माल नहीं चाहिए, सच्चा माल उधर चाहिए पहले, नगाड़ा में. So फिर प्रीतम ने बोला अच्छा झूठा पंजाबी, तो we still call it झूठा पंजाबी and सच्चा पंजाबी.
Okay.
So झूठा पंजाबी गाना was being made, lyrics were written, tune was composed, everything was good. Preetham sings on the guitar and tells you all of that was going on. And then later on, after the programming etc. was done, when I heard it, and then there were these Assamese lines, and I didn't know which language it was, but it seemed like Assamese, because again I'm from the east, so I could tell that. And then I asked him, "Ye kaisa?" So that time, interestingly, and it's kind of very, I guess, momentous that we are talking about it right now, sitting in Assam next to you, that Joy Barua was introduced to me. Because he used to work as a programmer with Preetham at that point of time.
Yes.
And that is her brother. And I am very happy to say it out here that out of the few prolific people in the film industry who I think will become big names in music in the future, one of them is definitely Joy Barua. And I wouldn't say that whether I was sitting in his house also if I didn't think it was true. Because Joy has worked with in my brother's film, he's done the music, I've heard the music of that film, the music that was made for that film but is not there in that film, and otherwise also his music. And I feel that if, you know, God willing, everything goes well, he will be a big name. But that's for the future. So he is the guy who had programmed it, and he, going through the song and in this atmosphere where we wanted something fake and non-Punjabi and somehow...
I like the fakeness.
Yeah,
that's amazing.
No, I'm not saying that
Yeah, in a good way.
आप तो मार खिलवाओगी असम में मैं ऐसा
नहीं पंजाबी में चलता है
yeah. So the fakeness was not the Assamese that was good.
No, the Assamese was real, right guys? It was very real.
But yeah, we tried to corrupt it. So yeah, that's how it came through.
Okay. That's because it was always a thing for me, you know, how would you put this song and that song, I mean that little piece of poetry.
And there's also Dipanita Sharma, who I don't know, some people know here. So Dipanita Sharma is from Guwahati, and she got married to a Punjabi guy. So I know her very well. And she was the most thrilled. She said, this is the song that we played 1,000,000 times because there could not have been a more appropriate song. And Assamese getting married to a Punjabi.